Macarons on the metro. Very classic.
We just had a terrifying moment trying to get out of the metro where every turn we took was just more metro. And I had a very scary moment where I thought, is this the end? Will we ever escape?
Will we ever see the light of day?
I've never been so relieved to see the light of day, and it's so beautiful out right now. This was the most difficult to find establishment, and it gave us extreme social anxiety to find it.
I, the caveman. Mom would be proud, since I literally became friends with cavemen and women, and everything in between.
So, we found the poetry thing. We found the poetry thing. It was very scary to find it because we went to this bar and there was a million people who all looked cool and like they knew what they were doing.
All just sitting there having drinks and eating food.
So we had to quickly run away and have a planning session about how we were going to be cool and ask where to find it because it was very hidden inside the bar to go down into the poetry thing. Finally, we sat down. A very nice girl came and I very scaredly said, "Est-ce qu'il y a de la poésie ici?" And then she directed us. When we got there, it was, I kid you not,
100 degrees.
Maybe like 103.
Yeah.
103 degrees, I think, might be a little more accurate.
Yeah,
it was
right.
very, very toasty in there. We're gonna go back in 15 minutes. Look at the Eiffel Tower. I don't know why I said it that way. Drunk. Update. We're on. Oh.
That was
that was shorter than I thought. We had a failed lake day. Went to a lake. It was not fun. It was the grossest, dirtiest, most packed lake of our existence. We're so hungry. It's literally 38 degrees.
Yeah.
And you can see the train at which this train is. What? You can see the speed at which this train is moving. It's not fast. So. Wish us luck getting home. I'm on my way to do my laundry. I also realized I really have only just shown clips of the past couple days without like actually saying what's going on. The other day we went to this underground poetry thing. I think I told you about that. It was really cool, really fun. Today we went to a mosque that they let you tour, which was so beautiful. I didn't get very many clips because it didn't feel very respectful, but it was really, really pretty and fun. And we also, there's one other thing we did. Oh, we went to this lake. It was a total failure because it was so hot, but when we got there were about 500,000 million people in the water as well. So it didn't really work out, but that's okay. Now back in Paris, about 200. How pretty! Paris is so beautiful. We are now in Ponterson, which is right by Mont Saint-Michel.
Yeah.
About to get some bikes to head over to Mont Saint-Michel. Look at this view behind me. This is crazy. I just turned on the camera to start filming and I didn't even realize that that was the view. We toured that castle today and it was very, very cool. But first I have to tell you about my lunch experience. We got these just like sandwiches. It was just a baguette with ham and cheese in it. And I'm just sitting on a wall, kind of similar to this wall that I'm currently sitting on. And I was just sitting, eating my sandwich, minding my own business. I kind of put it down for a second under my legs, like under here, okay? All of a sudden, out of nowhere, like giant white wings are flapping in my face. I don't know what's going on. Next thing I know, my sandwich is gone. It's just gone. And I was so confused. I was looking all around. Finally, I looked down on the ground, like down there, okay? And it's down there. A seagull had just come and snatched it right out of my hands. The audacity was insane. So I had a crepe for lunch instead. And then after that, we went and did a tour of this abbey. And it was so cool. We toured the prison, a little dank, dark room. I feel like there was also something else kind of funny or cool in there that I made a mental note to tell the vlog.
I'll have to think about it.
There was something else cool that I will be telling you later. Lunch thieves. What is he doing? Okay, I remembered what else we needed to tell you. New fear unlocked today. We're at Mont Saint-Michel and it's a like island surrounded by a bay. And the tides on the bay go out really far and then they can come in super quickly. And it's like fastest, strongest, biggest tide in Europe. And there's quicksand out there. And so they were like, you can cross this, but don't go alone because you will die.
Exactly what you told us.
Yeah, like I'm not even exaggerating. Because our new fear unlocked, she's like, you'll get sucked into the quicksand, you won't be able to move, and then the tide will come in and you will drown. So new fear unlocked, and we will not be doing that. Are you seeing this?